guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I went to one of my local Walmarts and picked up these 3 packs of Darkness Ablaze Sword and Shield. It's the Eevee and the Flareon packs. Here we go. Here's the promo cards. That's the Flareon promo. And then we have ourselves the Eevee promo. Pretty nice little promo cards. Also come with the Manaphy tote. Thought these were pretty interesting. These were, I believe, $12.99. Pretty good price for 3 packs of Darkness Ablaze. See what we can get out of this one. Here's the Eevee promo card. Pretty nice evolution card. Gonna go ahead and sleeve this card up, protect it. We are using the Pro Eclipse light blues. Here we go, showcasing it off just so you guys can get a better look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side. There's the Manaphy token. Pretty nice little token you also get with that. Alright, now onto our 3 packs. See what we can get out of these 3. Here's the packs for you guys. Alright, onto our first one. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Alright, let's start it off. We got ourselves a Dark Energy. Got ourselves a Lairon. Got ourselves a Parasect. We got ourselves a Spike Moth, Purloin, Hippopotas, Sentret, Larvesta, Mortal, Shelmet for a reverse. And we got ourselves a Golurk, rare, non-hollow. Gonna set these to the side for now. On to pack number 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got our little card trick. Got ourselves a Steel Energy, Cape of Toughness, Vibrava, Simisear, Toxel, Skitty, got ourselves a Rowlet, Wishy-Washy, Cuffent, got ourselves a Shinnotic, and for our rare in the pack we got ourselves an Excavalier, non-hollow. On to pack number 3. Here it is. We got that VMAX Charizard in front, hoping to get that out of one of these packs. Trusty scissors coming through. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Starting off with a Water Energy, a Dedenne. Got ourselves a Bird Keeper, Solrock, a Marini. Got ourselves a Purloin, Starly, Aaron, Cubchoo, Cuffent for our reverse. And for a rarer pack, we got ourselves a Deevil, non-hollow. Alright, now on to the second 3 pack with our Flareon. Here is the promo Flareon. Gonna go ahead and get a sleeve. Our light blue Eclipse. In the back as well with our Eevee. Here it is again, the Manaphy token. Alright, on to our next 3 packs. One, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Starting it off with our Grass Energy, a Toxapex, a big Paracel, a Shinnotic. Got ourselves a Tauros. Got ourselves a Diglett, a Scovet, Shelmet, Pan Pour. For our reverse, we got ourselves a Galarin Darmanitan. And for our rare of the pack, holy crap, we got ourselves a Turbo Patch, the secret rare version to it. Look at it, oh nice, shiny and gold. This card is also worth a pretty penny. I want to say it's about a $25 to $30 card. Vanilla PSA grade, I've seen it anywhere from $50 to $60. Gonna go ahead and sleeve this bad boy up to protect it. Yeah, look at it. Alright, on to our next pack. Let's keep up this good energy, see if we can get something else good out of these. Gonna do our card trig. 4 to the front. Starting off with a Grass Energy. Onto a Simisage. Vanillish. Got ourselves a Clang. A Milton. A Marini. Got ourselves a Purloin. Starly. Aaron. A Morlo. And a Delcatty for a rare non-hollow. Alright, on to the next pack. Alright, let's get started. 4 to the front. Alright, got ourselves a Water Energy. We got Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. Combuskin. Staravia. Pansage. Got ourselves a Tauros. Diglett. Got ourselves a Squavit, sorry. Shelmet. We got ourselves a Pierce. I do apologize if I'm saying any of these names wrong of any of the cards. A Pincurchin. This is our rare out of a pack. It is a hollow. Nice card we have here. Here we go, showing it off so y'all can get a better look at it. Also gonna go ahead and go put it in this sleeve. Here's some of the rare cards that we got out of this pack. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let's keep on all these good pulls going. Until the next video.